You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. In today's video, I'll be talking about the 1 week chart right here. If you look at this very chart, I was talking about this very divergence, and on the BTC USD 1-day chart as well, you see the market pump to the upside, especially as a result of this very CPI data release. I'll also talk about this in today's video, and also ETH. And if you look at here, we're having a broadening way to the upside, and on BNB USDT 4-hour chart, where we see this very channel on the chart. So all of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. And on the 1 week chart right here, if you look at this very area, in one of my previous videos I talk about this very level where the market was at this very point of 16,300, and this is a very strong divergence. And if you look at it very well on the chart and also on the RSI indicator at this very area, it was very significant, and this has already been confirmed, and the market is going to go to the upside. And if you look at it, before the market actually moved this very week, we see the market at this very area about 1 month plus, the market still within this very region. That also indicates that this very move is going to take a longer time, maybe weeks and months, as the market begins to move to the upside, because this is a bullish divergence at this very area, and we're going to see the market move to the upside. So expect the market to still go back up on the higher time frame on the weekly chart, but as the market begins to move to the upside, we are also going to see a little bearish correction to the downside as we move to the upside on the 1 week chart, but that's going to reflect on the lower time frame. So expect the market to still move up, because this very bullish divergence is just starting right now in the market. And for those of you guys that want to hold crypto for a very long time, this is a very nice time to buy for a long time holding, because you don't expect to buy when the market is up to about maybe 47k level. So expect this market to still move to the upside on the longer time, and like I said, this will take weeks and months for the market to actually approach this very level of resistance right here. 1 day chart right here, if you watch my immediate past video, I talk about this very candle, and I said we have to wait for this candle to close, and the more we see increased momentum on the MACD at this very area, then the more we're going to see the market right to the upside. And exact same thing that happened right there. Of course, I was looking at the market approaching this level of 18k level and 17,800 at this very area, but as a result of the CPI data release we see right here yesterday, and the data come out very much fairly fine, because the forecast was minus 0.1%, and what actually came out for the data is minus 0.1%. so it will actually fair for the market. One thing you also have to understand about economic data is that once uncertainty is reduced, it also means reduce risks, and that will also implies that the market participants will want to take more long position than short positions, and that is exactly something that happened right here. And we see the market move to the upside, even though we already see the market already been priced in right at this very area. So I was expecting the market to come into this level of 18k and 17,800 at this very point, but with market just move a little bit to the upside, and where the market is right now is a very critical support and resistance. If you look at this very area at this very point closely, so you see very strong support right here. We have support at this very area, and we have a very strong support here, which is turning resistance at the moment. And it is very clear here on the lower time frame, that is the 4-hour. But right now, if you look at this very area on the MACD, we are still seeing increasing momentum on the MACD right here. So that means we could experience a little bit of move to the upside a little bit before we will see the market retrace back to the downside before the next move again to the upside. So what you need to understand right now is that the market is going to move a little bit to the upside, not much move from this very area, but we're going to see the market begin to retrace back down before the next move again. And you have to pay attention to the MACD histogram at this very area, and not only that, the MACD line and the signal line and how they dilate apart from this very MACD indicator. And we are going to see retracement between where the market is right now of 18,800 and 19,400 at this very point. So retracement is very important. Like I said, expect the market to just move a little bit to the upside into this level of 19,400 and where the market is right now of 18,800. This is what I am paying attention to right now on the 1-day chart BTC USDT. And of course, if you look at this chart very well, we are seeing this very line of resistance playing out from this very level up to this very area, and that is where the market is right now. And this is very, very important, guys, because it is a very strong level of descending resistance level. And on the 4-hour chart here, BTC, if you look at this area where the market is also as a level of resistance at this very point. And like I said earlier in my previous video, I was expecting the market to come back down from this very area because we saw a divergence here, although the divergence was not confirmed, and market moved a little bit before the CPI data at this very area, before this very push to the upside. So after this very move, if you look at it very well, the market has already moved greatly from this very area of support at this very point, and we are seeing this very long move to the upside. So you should also expect the market to, pull back before the next continuation to the upside again. Don't expect a very sharp move to the upside again in the market, because the market don't move that way. And what I am expecting market to retrace from these two levels, between these two levels right here to the downside, we should see a significant retracement to the downside before continuation to the upside. And more especially, remember, next week is Fed interest rate decision, which will also impact on the market. And on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart right here, we are seeing a broadening wedge from this very level. And not only that, if you look at the MACD, we are seeing a reduced momentum on the histogram to the downside from this very area right down. Not only that, we are also seeing the MACD line and the signal line coming together, and that also means at this point that the market is going to come back down in form of a retracement before the next continuation to the market. And the levels to which we'll have to pay attention to for end of retracement is this level of resistance that can turn out to be support, and this very line of support at this very area, because if market is coming back down, it will meet this level of resistance first before this very line of support at this very area, which in turn is a very nice support at this very area as well. So this is what you need to pay attention to on the ETH 4-hour chart at the moment. Expect the market to retrace before the next continuation in the market. And of course, you know that the market has already moved greatly from this very area up to this very point, and of course we need retracement in the market. And on the BNB USDT 4-hour chart right here, I talk about this very market. If you look at it very well, at where the market is right now is a very great resistance at this very point right here, and the market is finding resistance at this very point as well. Not only that, we are seeing the market right now in a channel, and this channel is very important, guys. So a breakout of this channel, especially what I'm expecting that the market to go back to the downside, a breakout of this channel will mean that the market is going to go more further right now. As the market begin to move down and approach this level of support and market breaks out, then the next level of support that we have to pay attention to is this very line of support at this very area. So pay attention to the market coming back down in form of a retracement before the market will continue back to the upside again. And of course, you have to understand that the market has already moved from this very area where the market starts, this very movement up to the upside, and of course we need the market to retrace for price to stabilize in the market. So this is what I am paying attention to on the BNB USD 4-hour chart, and these two levels is very important. This level of $281 and this other level of $272 are very important levels to pay attention to. So what do you think about the market, especially on the 1 week chart? This is very, very important, and this is a bullish divergence, and it's going to play out, and it's going to take weeks and months for this market to actually move to the upside. So what do you think? Do you think the market is going to still move up from this area where the market is right now? And do you think it's a nice time for you to buy low cap coins, because you're going to see the market increase from this very area up to this very point of resistance? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit, going to use the affiliate link down below this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.